Hello dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I am Ankur Sharma and in this session we will have a discussion on post-gate guidance, and here we are going to cover the specialization, cutoff and placement for MTech MS program, and the session is specially dedicated for EC Electrical Iron offered by IIT Guwahati and IIT Roorkee. So my dear student, we will have a slight comparison also that how many specialization IIT Guwahati provided for the MTech MS and how many specialization IIT Roorkee provided. And we will also have a discussion about the approximate cutoff, and on the basis of the last year we have just search out and we have mentioned here, and placements also you will get the detail. So my dear student, I hope you already enjoy the post-gate guidance series where we have already uploaded the videos for IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore, comparison for across all the branches, civil also, mechanical also, CS also. Okay, so now I would like to invite our next team member, Mr. Vipin sir, Mr. Nikhil sir, please come.
Thank you,
so my question to you, in the last session we had a discussion on IIT Bombay and IISc Bangalore, and now we are having a discussion of Roorkee and Guwahati. So the overall agenda, my dear student, the overall agenda of the post-gate gate guidance series is what? So once the gate result will come in the mid of March, student, you should need to take decision that on which IIT or NIT you need to apply for the MTech and MS program according to your gate score. And that time, what is my experience, many students are searching for the information कि सर मैं कौन से वाले IIT में अप्लाई करूं, क्या मैं COAP में जाऊं या CCMT के थ्रू. तो पूरा प्रोसेस के लिए काफ़ी students are facing so much problems and all. So that is why we have initiated this series. So now over to you, both of you can start. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So Nikhil sir, in this video we are going to reveal all the information about IIT Guwahati and IIT Roorkee that the students are really looking for. So let's get started with the first IIT, which is IIT Guwahati. So if we talk about IIT Guwahati, it has an international ranking of 384 and it has a national ranking of 7. So it is also one of the prestigious organization, one of the finest organization for doing research work. If we talk about the specialization that IIT Guwahati is offering for EC Electrical IN students, so these specializations are power engineering, communication engineering, RF and photonics, system control and automation, signal processing and machine learning, and VLSI. Now, how will you choose a particular specialization? That completely depends upon your area of interest. If you are interested in signals and system, then you should definitely choose signal processing and machine learning. That will be better for you. If suppose your area of interest is control and automation, then you should go for control and automation. And if you are interested in power electronic, then your specialization definitely has to be power engineering. So this is how you are going to choose a specialization in particular IIT.
Sir, one doubt I have. Suppose I am an electrical engineer and I have given a GATE exam from EE stream. So since here it is power engineering is coming, so the question will strike in mind that, sir, the power engineering belongs to only EE stream. So can a EC student or IN student can opt this particular specialization? That depends upon your area of interest, and that also depends upon a particular IIT. For example, IISc Bangalore has given this opportunity to EE EC and IN student. They can apply in any of the specialization, but that depends whether particular IIT is offering you that specialization or not. If we look at the cutoff, so Nikhil sir, if you show the cutoff, that particular thing will be clear to the students, I think, by looking into the cutoff and specialization that are applicable for EC Electrical and IN students. So Nikhil sir. Sure, sir. So see here, student, this is a cutoff where the specialization is given to us. Now for the power engineering, the EE stream or the discipline of EE is only applicable, which is having a safe score of 706. Alright, and look at here, for the communication engineering, the 541 would be the cutoff score for EC. So here EC and IN student are not applicable. In the same way, in the communication, EE and IN student are not applicable, and so on so forth. So if you look at the table overall, so you will going to find the safe score that you need to have in the GATE exam for opting any one of this specialization.
So that means, Nikhil sir, in order to be there at IIT Guwahati, student must have a GATE score of 650 and above, and that ensures that they can be there at the IIT Guwahati, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if we look at the placements of IIT Guwahati, one of the most important thing in which all the students are interested. So if we talk about the placements of IIT Guwahati for the batch of 2022, so the number of recruiters that have visited IIT Guwahati are more than 200. Highest package offered were around 2.4 crore international, and the national highest package was 44 lakh per annum.
Yes,
so
sir.
very high package.
This is really a very high package. So all right, students, so see here, the average package offered in the IIT Guwahati is 17.47 LPA, and the magical figure here is that the overall MTech placement is 85.29%. So the placement percentage is very, very high for the MTech now.
And we can see even all the reputed companies of India and across the world are visiting IIT Guwahati as well for the placement purpose, isn't it? So number of companies that has visited IIT Guwahati in the year 2022 is around more than 200. So if you are there at IIT Guwahati, better placement is ensured.
Alright, so my dear student, these are the important days where the application form will going to be begin, but these all are the tentative dates. So the beginning of the online application process will be start from the second week of April, and the last date for applying is the second week of May, and the date of the written test and the interview will be first week of June, and the date of reporting at IIT Guwahati will be second week of July. So my dear student, these all are the tentative date. So for any updation regarding the important dates, or you can say the dates, please visit the website of the IIT Guwahati.
So Nikhil sir, the second week of July is the duration where the students can expect their MTech at IIT Guwahati is going to start, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is all about IIT Guwahati students. Let us explore more about IIT Roorkee. So if we talk about IIT Roorkee, this is also one of the finest institute not only in India, across the world, because it has an international ranking of 369 and it has a national ranking of 6. If we talk about the specialization that IIT Roorkee is offering to EECIN students, so those are electric drives and power electronics, power system engineering, instrumentation and signal processing, system and control, electric vehicle technology. This is the future of the world, guys. So IIT Roorkee is offering you MTech in electric vehicle technology. You should definitely look for it. And communication systems, RF and microwave engineering, microelectronics and VLSI. So these are the specializations that IIT Roorkee is offering to EEC and IN student. Now Nikhil sir, will you please show the cutoff for these respective specializations?
Sure, sir. So, see dear student, these are the cutoff for the IIT Roorkee. So, these all are the specialization that we have, and the cutoff for the general category is 74.66, but this is what? This is the marks, not the GATE score. Alright, so the safe GATE marks will be 74.66 for the electric drive and power electronic. Similarly, for the power system engineering, it will be 74.66, the same one. But here, EC and IN are not applicable. If you see here, the system and control belongs to all the category, whereas the instrumentation engineering, the instrumentation and signal processing and the communication system belongs to the branch specific. Now, if you look at the cutoff for the system and control here, for the general category, all the branch will have the same cutoff. Similarly, EWS will have the same cutoff for all the branches, whereas in OBC, will have the same cutoff for all the stream, and for SC we have all the cutoff as the same for all the stream, and for ST category we'll have the cutoff as 56.16 for all the 3 stream. So this all are the cutoffs related to the specialization from the IIT Roorkee. But my dear friend, if you see here, the electric vehicle technology, this is a recent syllabus or a course that has been inculcated in the syllabus. All right. So because of that particular reason, we don't have a gate cutoff score for this.
So one thing that I can see, Nikhil sir, here is IIT Roorkee is shortlisting not on behalf of gate score. In fact, it is shortlisting on behalf of the number of marks that a particular student has scored in gate.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to be there at IIT Roorkee, if you have scored more than 60 marks, you have a great chance to be there at IIT Roorkee.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we talk about the placements of IIT Roorkee, so the final placement for batch 2022, we can see the number of recruiters visited to IIT Roorkee for placements are more than 250. Total number of offers given to IIT Roorkee students are more than 1200, and the highest package offered is around 2.15 crore.
This is really very high package. And the placement batch 2023 for ongoing, offering the higher package. This is a registered, or you can say this is the package which is on record, which is 1.30 crore.
And the placements are currently ongoing at IIT Roorkee. So this is not the last package. This is the highest package that the students have cracked right now. This may even increase as well.
Sir.
And we can see even all the reputed companies have visited IIT Roorkee, and the number of companies that have visited IIT Roorkee is around 250 plus. So if you are there at IIT Roorkee, better placement is guaranteed. Isn't it, Nikhil sir?
Yes, sir. So this is all about our placement. Now let us go ahead and see the important dates. Again, this is a tentative dates. So the beginning of online application process will be the last week of March, and last date for applying is 2nd week of April, and written and interview schedule will be on 1st week of May. So and the date of reporting at the Roorkee will be 2nd week of July. So my dear student, this is all about the important dates. Now let us look at the admission process for the IITs. So you will have to apply separately to the respective institute for the admission in the MTech.
So you have to apply across each and every IIT individually, but there will be a common counseling called as COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal. So you have to register into COAP, and through this common counseling, you will be allocated to the IIT of your choice and specialization of your choice. So this is all about IIT Guwahati and IIT Roorkee. So we hope that we have provided you all the relevant information that you are really looking for about IIT Guwahati and IIT Roorkee.
And do not forget to join the Zero Free program through the link given in the description box.